Let's get uncomfortable for a minute. America has more opportunity than almost any country on earth, yet most people live paycheck to paycheck. It's not because everyone is lazy, it's not because everyone is stupid, and it's not because the system is impossible. It's behavior, small daily habits, invisible patterns, comfort-driven decisions. Today, I'm breaking down 10 behaviors that quietly keep people financially stuck and what high earners in America do differently. If you feel attacked at any point, good. Growth doesn't happen in comfort. Let's begin. 1. Entertainment as a lifestyle. There's nothing wrong with watching a show, but if your evenings are Netflix, sports, scrolling, YouTube rabbit holes, that's not relaxation, that's escape. Average earners consume content. High earners allocate content. Big difference. Ask yourself, are you using entertainment to recharge or to avoid improving? In America, attention is the most expensive currency, and most people give it away for free. 2. Escaping problems instead of attacking them. When income feels tight, what do most people do? They distract themselves. When career feels stagnant, they complain. When bills stack up, they stress but don't strategize. High performers do the opposite. They ask, what skill can I build that pays more? Who earns more than me, and what do they know? Where am I underperforming? You don't solve problems emotionally, you solve them strategically. America rewards problem solvers, not professional complainers. 3. Obsessing over saving instead of earning. This one will trigger some people. Saving money matters, but obsessing over coupons while ignoring income growth, that's small thinking. If you spend 5 hours trying to save $30, but 0 hours learning negotiation, sales, tech, marketing, you're optimizing poverty. High earners focus on income expansion first, cost control second, because one raise can outperform years of extreme budgeting. Ask yourself, have you worked harder on cutting expenses or increasing value? 4. Neglecting health and energy. If you sleep 5 hours, eat processed junk daily, never train your body, your brain suffers, your discipline weakens, your performance drops. In the US, income is often tied to performance. Energy equals focus. Focus equals results. Results equal money. High earners treat health like infrastructure because if your body crashes, your income follows. 5. Blame culture. This one is dangerous. Blaming feels good. It's the economy, it's my boss, it's the system, it's politics. Here's the brutal truth. Even if some of that is true, blame gives you zero leverage. High earners ask, what is still in my control? You might not control inflation, but you control skill building. You might not control layoffs, but you control preparedness. Victim mindset removes responsibility. Responsibility builds power. Choose carefully. 6. No emergency buffer. In America, one unexpected expense can destroy financial stability. Medical bill, car breakdown, job loss. If you don't have 3 to 6 months saved, you're forced into survival mode, and survival mode kills strategy. High earners protect optionality. They build liquidity, because money in reserve doesn't just buy security, it buys decision power. 7. Using credit for status. Credit cards aren't evil, misuse is. If you're financing vacations, luxury clothes, phones you don't need, cars you can't afford, you're buying image, not assets. High earners use leverage to create income. If debt doesn't generate cash flow, it's a liability, not a strategy. In America, lifestyle inflation traps millions. Income rises, spending rises faster. Wealth never builds. 8. Staying in low ambition environments. You become your circle. If everyone around you mocks ambition, hates wealthy people, avoids growth, you'll shrink. High earners intentionally expose themselves to smarter rooms, harder conversations, bigger standards. Environment shapes identity. Identity shapes action. Action shapes income. Audit your circle honestly. 9. Never executing ideas. America rewards action, not potential, not intelligence, not one day. Most people research forever, plan forever, talk forever, launch never. High performers move imperfectly. They test, they fail, they adjust. Execution beats perfection every time. 10. Expecting someone to save them. This is the hardest truth. No one is coming. Not the government, not your employer, not your family. High earners understand you are the asset. Your skills, your discipline, your adaptability, that's the safety net. In the US, mobility exists, but it rewards those who build leverage. If you wait for fairness, you'll wait forever. Now, let me ask you something directly. If your income stayed the same for the next 5 years, would you be proud of your current habits or exposed by them? Average earners protect comfort. High earners protect growth. Pick 2 behaviors from this list. Fix them for 6 months. Track the results. If nothing changes, then you didn't change enough. And that's the real conversation. See you in the next one.